Welcome back to my channel, and let's continue our discussion about combination, particularly problem solving involving combination. Again, in combination, order or arrangement is not important. The number of combinations of n things taken r at a time is given by the formula n chosen r equals n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial times r factorial. Now this time, i-level up natin yung mga problems na isosolve natin involving combination. Okay, example number 1. In how many ways can 4 red balls and 3 green balls be selected from a box containing 7 red and 5 green balls? So, underline lang natin yung pagmumula ng ating formula. So, ito, 7 red, tsaka 5 green. Tapos, dito, ang pipiliin is ilang red lamang, tsaka ilang green lamang. So, in this problem, 4 red ang pipiliin. Ito po siya, 4 red. Tapos, 3 green lamang. Remember that in mathematics, yung word na end, ito pong end na to, ibig sabihin po niyan ay times. So, para ma-solve natin yung problem na to, 7 ang red, ang kukunin ay 4. So, that will be 7 chosen 4. Okay? Yung end na to means times. So, ibig sabihin, that will be 7 chosen 4 times. So, ang pamimilian ay 5 green. Tapos, ang kukunin naman ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, that's times 5 chosen 3. So, ito po yung ating magiging solution. That will be 7 chosen 4 times 5 chosen 3. Dito, kailangan nating isimplify muna si 7 chosen 4 at saka isimplify din si 5 chosen 3. Yung magiging sagot natin doon, ita-times natin, and that will be our final answer. So, solvein muna natin si 7 chosen 4. So, si 7 chosen 4, 7 chosen 4, that's equal to 7 factorial over quantity 7 minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. So that will be 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 factorial. So continue lang natin solution natin. That will be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 3 factorial 4 factorial. Ayan. So cancelin na natin si 4 factorial. Cancel po natin. Si 3 factorial, take note, hindi lang po yan 3. That's 7, that's 3 times 2 times 1. So, expand pa natin. 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 1. So, cancelin pa natin po ito. Si 3 at saka si 6, may matitira kapag 2. Tapos si 2, pwede pa uli natin i-cancel yan. So, ang natira na natin ay 7 at saka 5. So, alam natin, 7 times 5, that's equal to 35. So, ibig sabihin, si 7 chosen 4 dito, that's equal to 35 times. Times po natin. Next na isi-simplify naman natin is si 5 chosen 3. Okay? So, pwede naman class na burahin mo muna yung nandito. Okay, burahin muna natin yung mga nandito na solution. Tsaka tayo mag-start ulit ng panibag. Okay, so pwede na nating start na isolve si 5 chosen 3. Si 5 chosen 3 naman, so 5 chosen 3, that will be equal to 5 factorial over quantity 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So that becomes 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So that's 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So, pwede na nating i-cancel si 3 factorial at si 3 factorial. Pero dito, may 2 factorial ka pang natira. So, pwede naman na i-cancel mo na kagad dito kay 4. So, may matitira ka na 2. So, 5 times 2, that's equal to 10. So, therefore, 5 chosen 3, that's equal to 10. Ang next step na, since na-solve na natin yung dalawang expressions na to, ta-times mo na lang. 35 times 10, that's equal to 350. So, ibig sabihin, ang final answer natin is 350. Nagkakaintindihan? Next example po tayo. Example number 2. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 3 architects and 2 engineers be chosen from 6 architects and 6 engineers? So, underline lang natin, ito po yung pamimilian natin. 6 architects tsaka 6 engineers. Ang kukunin sa architect, 3. Ang kukunin naman sa engineer, 2. And means times. So, ang magiging solution natin dito will be 6 chosen 3 times 6 chosen 2. Okay? Yung 6 chosen 3, ito yung sa architect. Tama? Kasi 6 yung pamimilian, 3 yung kukunin. Yung 6 chosen 2 naman, dito yan kay 6 engineers, tapos 2 engineers naman yung kukunin. And means times. So, ang gagawin natin is, kailangan i-simplify po muna natin yung dalawa na to gamit yung ating formula. So, start tayo kay 6 chosen 3. So, 6 chosen 3, that's equal to 6 factorial over quantity 6 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. That will be 6 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay? So, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Pwede na nating i-cancel si 3 factorial. Si 3 factorial dito, di ba, alam natin na that's equal to 3 times 2. So, 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 times 2 times 1. So, 6 at 3, pwede natin i-cancel po yun. 6 at saka 3, may matitira ka po na 2. Tapos, si 4 at saka si 2, pwede ulit, may matitira ka pa na 2. Ayan. So, ang natira natin is 2, 5, at saka 2. So, 2 times 5 times 2, of course, alam natin yon, that's equal to 20. So, ang answer natin dito is 20. Okay? So, 6 chosen 3, that's equal to 20 times. So, ang next naman na gagawin natin ay, solve natin si 6 chosen 2. Pero bago yon, burahin muna natin yung ating solution dito. Lahat. Okay? So, nabura na natin. So, next is 6 chosen 2. So, si 6 chosen 2, 6 chosen 2, that's equal to 6 factorial over quantity 6 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So, that's 6 factorial. Subtract natin. 6 minus 2 is 4. So, that becomes 4 factorial, 2 factorial. Expand natin si 6 factorial hanggang 4 factorial. So, 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial, 2 factorial. So, let's cancel. Cancel, cancel. Si 2 factorial, value lang naman niya ay 2. So, pwede na natin i-cancel yan kay 6 agad-agad. So, ang natira natin ay 3 times 5. And 3 times 5, that's equal to 15. Therefore, 6 chosen 2 is equal to 15. Next step, ita-times na lang po natin ito. 20 times 15, of course, that's equal to 300. So, our final answer is 300 ways. This is our final answer. I hope naintindihan si example number 2. Now, let's proceed to another example. Example number 3. There are 15 students in a class. 8 of them are girls. How many ways can a group of 3 boys and 2 girls be chosen? So, meron kang 15 estudyante. Pakita natin dito, no? So, meron kang 15 estudyante. Out of 15, 8 daw ang girls sa kanila. So, 8 girls meron ka. So, kung 8 ang girls, ilan syempre ang boys? So, kung ang sagot mo ay 7, you are correct. Kasi, di ba, pagmaminusin mo. So, understood class na dito, 7 ang boys na meron doon sa klase. Ayan. So, kumbaga, hindi masyadong ibinigay dito sa problem yung pamimilian or yung pagkukunan natin. Kaya gagamitan mo pa rin siya ng common sense. So, out of 15 students, 8 ang girls, tapos 7 naman ang boys. Now, ito yung kukunin. Ang kukunin daw is 3 boys at saka 2 girls. So, ang magiging solution natin dyan will be, so sa girls, 8. 8. Ang kukunin natin ay 2 lamang. So, that's 8 chosen 2 times sa lalaki naman, 7 ang pamimilian at ang kukunin naman ay 3 lamang. So, that will be 7 chosen 3. Kailangan, i-simplify po muna natin yung mga expressions na to. So, umpisahan natin kay 8 chosen 2. So, si 8 chosen 2, that's equal to 8 factorial over quantity 8 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So, that's equal to 8 factorial over 6 factorial, 2 factorial. So, expand natin si 8 factorial, 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial, 2 factorial. Cancelin natin si 6 factorial at saka si 6 factorial. Si 2 factorial at 8 pwede yan. So, may matitira ka po na 4. So, ang natira na lang ay 4 times 7. And 4 times 7, that's equal to 28. So, ang sagot natin dito is 28. So, 8 chosen 2, that's equal to 28 times. Next, try naman natin si 7 chosen 3. So, ang gagawin natin, erase muna natin yung ating solution kanina dito sa part na to. Erase lang po natin. Okay. Erase natin po itong part na to. So, solve naman natin si 7 chosen 3. Si 7 chosen 3, that's equal to 7 factorial over quantity 7 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So, that's equal to 7 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So, that's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So, pwede na natin i-cancel si 4 factorial at saka si 4 factorial. Pero may matitira ka pang 3 factorial. So, ibig sabihin, that's equal to 7 times 6 times 5 over, so si 3 factorial, that's 3 times 2 times 1. So, cancel pa ulit tayo. Cancel po si 6 at saka si 3. So, may matitira kang 2. So, si 2, pwede mong i-cancel pa ulit dun sa 2. Yan. So, ang natira natin ay 7 tsaka 5. So, the answer there is 35. So, meaning 7 chosen 3, that's equal to 35. Ita-times na lang po ito para makuha yung ating final answer. So, 28 times 35 is of course equal to 980. Therefore, 980 is our final answer. There are 980 ways na pwede kang makabuo ng 3 boys and 2 girls out of 8 girls and 7 boys. Nagkakaintindihan po sa example number 3. Let's have our last example. Example number 4. Sa example number 4, A at B po yan. So, yung A natin, ito. Tapos, yung B natin, ayan. So, unahin muna natin si letter A, sagutan. So, here is the problem. The school is planning to form a 4-member committee out of 5 teachers and 4 administrators. How many ways can the committee can be chosen if, letter A, the committee must be composed of 3 teachers and 1 administrator? So, underline ko lang, ito po yung pamimilian natin. So, ito po yung panggagalingan. 5 teachers tapos 4 na administrators. Tapos, bubuo ka daw ng 4 na member committee. Now, sa 4 na member na committee na yon, kailangan daw, it is composed of 3 teachers at saka si 1 administrator. So, ang magiging basis po natin, ito pong 5 teachers at saka 4 administrators at saka po ito na nasa problem. So, ang kukunin natin, from 5 teachers, 3 teachers ang kukunin. From 4 administrators, 1 administrator naman ang kukunin natin. So, our solution will be, so 5 teachers, ang kukunin lang po natin ay 3. So, that's 5 chosen 3 times. Yung isa naman po ay 4 admin, yung pamimilian. Ang kukunin natin ay isa lamang. Now, you might ask, ano sir yung ibig sabihin ng 4-member committee na to na binanggit dun sa problem? Yung 4-member committee po na yun, ito lang po yun. Ito po ini-imply. Ibig sabihin, dapat yung total ng mga hours mo dito equal to 4. Diba 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. O, yun po yung sinasabi po dun sa problem na dapat yung committee ay 4 members lamang. So, kasi 3 plus 1 that's equal to 4. Pero ang susundin natin yung pamimilian at saka yung sa condition sa letter A. Okay? So, kailangan mahanap muna natin yung mga specific values ni 5 chosen 3 at saka ni 4 chosen 1. So, unahin natin si 5 chosen 3. Si 5 chosen 3, that's equal to 5 factorial over quantity 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So, that's equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So, 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So, cancelin natin si 3 factorial. May natira ka pa na 2, so cancel na natin kay 4, so that's equal to 2. Ang natirang numbers natin ay 5 at 2, so 5 times 2, that's equal to 10. Therefore, ang sagot natin dito is 10. Okay, times. Now, si 4 chosen 1, alam na kagad natin na si 4 chosen 1, that's equal to 4. Kasi di ba may formula tayo na n chosen 1 is equal to n. Pero pakita na rin natin dito yung solution natin. Sige, prove natin. 4 nga talaga yun, ano? So, 4 chosen 1, that's equal to 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So, that's equal to 4 factorial over 3 factorial, 1 factorial. So, ito magiging 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial, 1 factorial. So, makakancel si 3 factorial at 3 factorial. Ang natira na lang 4. Eh, si 1 factorial sa ilalim, 1 lang din naman yun. So, magiging sagot natin is still 4 pa rin. Okay, so 4 nga siya talaga. So, last step, times mo na lang po ito. 10 times 4, that's equal to 40. Therefore, our final answer here is 40. Nagkakaintindihan tayo sa example number 4, letter A. Now, let's proceed to letter B. Ito yung medyo tricky sa problem. So, yun pa rin po yung problem. Basahin ko pa rin. The school is planning to form a 4-member committee out of 5 teachers and 4 administrators. So, ito yung pamimilian. How many ways can the committee be chosen if the committee must be composed of at least? So, meron na ditong binanggit na kakaibang word na at least 1 teacher. Now, in mathematics, pag sinabing at least, sa Tagalog po yan ay, pag sinabing at least 1, ibig sabihin po niyan ay 1 pataas. So, 1, pwedeng 2, pwedeng 3, pwedeng 4. Hanggang 4 ka lang kasi ang committee mo ay binubuo lamang ng 4 members. Tama? 4 member yung committee natin. 4-member committee. Yan. So, paano po natin yan isa-solve? So, ito medyo mahaba yung ating magiging solution dito. So, mag-start ka muna kapag isa yung kukunin. So, kapag isa yung kukunin na teacher, ibig sabihin, ilan ang admin na kukunin? Ang admin natin na kukunin this time ay magiging 3. Kasi kung isa ang teacher, dapat 3 yung admin para 4-member committee. So, ang pamimilian, 5 teachers. So, ibig sabihin, that's equal to 5. So, that's equal to 5. Chosen 1 teacher po ito times, yung isa naman po ay 4 chosen 3. Okay, so saan po nakuha yung 3? Kasi di ba 4-member yung committee, 4 members. So kung ibig sabihin, kung meron ka ng isang teacher dito, ang kailangan mo na lang para maging 4-member, 3. Kaya ang magiging solution natin ay 5 chosen 1, 4 times 4 chosen 3. Ito po yung exactly 1 teacher tsaka may 3 administrators. At least, so ibig sabihin, madadagdagan pa to. Pwede pa natin tong dagdagan. So magiging plus, magpa-plus ka pa po ng 5. So, paano naman pagka 2 ang teachers na kukunin? So, magiging 5 chosen 2 times 4 chosen. Ilan na lang po ang kailangan na administrators? So, kung ang sagot mo ay 2, you are correct. Kasi di ba 4 member lang ang kukunin? So, 2 na lang po yung matitira kay administrator. Ito naman yung part na ang kukunin ay 2 teachers at saka 2 administrators. So, alam natin, dapat ito equal lagi. Pag pinag-plus, equal lagi kay 4. Okay? So, plus. So, at least ibig sabihin, 1 pataas. So, plus 5 chosen. So, dito po, 3 naman ang kukunin. 3 teachers. So, kung 3 teachers na ang kinuha mo dito, ilan na lang yung matitira para kay admin? So, dahil 4-member committee dapat ang total, 1 na lang yung matitira kay admin. Plus, okay, so, yung huli natin, syempre, yung dapat 4 teachers yung makukuha natin. So, that's equal to 5 chosen 4. wala ka naman ng kukunin dito kasi hanggang 4 lang. So, stop ka na kay 5 chosen 4. So, ibig sabihin, pag at least, ito po yung may mga pina-plus-plus. 5 chosen 1 times 4 chosen 3, ito po yung exactly 1 teacher meron doon sa committee, sa 4-member committee. Ito namang 5 chosen 2 times 4 chosen 2, ito yung may exactly 2 teachers na kasama doon sa 4-member committee. Ito namang 5 chosen 3 times 4 chosen 1, meron kang 3 teachers na kasama doon sa 4-member committee. And then si 5 chosen 4, ito naman yung lahat ng 4 teachers ang kasama doon sa iyong committee na bubuuin. So this will be our working formula. Well, of course, i-simplify mo po yan ng isa-isa. Okay? So pag sinimplify po natin yan, si 5 chosen 1, that's equal to 5. So that's equal to 5 times. Si 4 chosen 3, pag sinimplify po yan, that's equal to 4. Okay, plus, next, si 5 chosen 2, pag sinimplify po natin yan, that's equal to 10. So that's equal to 10 times. Si 4 chosen 2, pag sinimplify naman po yan, that is equal to, okay, that's equal to 6. So that's equal to 6 plus, si 5 chosen 3, pag sinimplify, that's equal to 10. Then, si 4 chosen 1, of course, pag in-applyan natin yan ng formula, that's equal to 4. And lastly, si 5 chosen 4, pag sinimplify, that's equal to 5. So, simplify po muna natin to. 5 times 4, that's equal to 20. Plus, 10 times 6, that's equal to 60. Plus, 10 times 4, that's equal to 40. Plus 5. So, add mo na lang po ito, 20 plus 60 plus 40 plus 5. So, 60 plus 40 is 100 plus 20 is 120 plus 5. So, the answer is 125. Therefore, there are 125 ways that a committee composed of at least one teacher can be formed. The answer is 125 ways. So, ganun po ang case kapag meron tayong at least na nakita doon sa ating problem. So, I hope nagkakaintindihan tayo sa discussion natin today. Thank you for watching.